Good day, Miss Mariela Leyva. I'm Brian Longalong, and today I show you how this program works. This program simulates a multifunction menu system. The user chooses one of four operations, which is a calculator, odd or even, highest or lowest number, and leap year. And the program executes that specific task. This program asks the user to enter a letter A, B, C, and D. And I use the two lowercase para ah, makapag-input kahit maliit o malaki ang ilalagay na letter ay gagana ito. Based sa in-input mong letter, the program executes the corresponding case block using a switch statement. Ito po yung code. The choices A, choice B, choice C, and the choice letter D. Ay. Then run. The choices A, calculator, B, odd or even, C, highest or lowest number, and D, the leap year. And enter your choice. Letter A, then enter calculator. Enter first number. The user will input two number. The program performs addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And now, I show you how to work this code. First, maglalagay ako ng first number na 10. Enter. Second number is 20, then enter. Tagal lumabas Enter. Yan. Yan po, gumana po siya ang addition, subtraction, multiplication, and the division. And the subtraction, the sum of 15 and 20 is 35. The subtraction, the difference of 15 and 20 is 5. The multiplication, the product of 10 and 20 is 300. And the division, lastly, the quotient of 15 and 20 is 0. Then, lalabas na, do you want to try again? Bali, mali po. May napindot po ako. Run po ulit natin. A, 10, 20, then, yan. Dito na po ulit tayo. Do you want to try again? Type yes or no. If you want to continue, type yes, then enter. Yan. Second choice is B, odd or even. Enter. Yan. Kapag ang number ay pwedeng i-divide sa 2, ito ay even number. Pag naman ang number ay hindi pwede i-divide sa 2, ito ay odd numbers. So maglalagay po ako ng number na 10, enter. Then lumabas the 10 is an even number. Because the 10, pwede po siya i-divide sa 2. Then do you want to try again? Type yes or no. Nasubukan na po natin ang even number. Dito po ulit tayo sa choices na B. Gawin po natin uppercase, malaki. Try po natin kung gagana yung uppercase. Kanina po kasi lowercase, then enter. Oh, yari. Ganoon. Ganoon. Yan. Type yes or no. Yes. B po ulit, uppercase. Then, subukan ko naman po yung even number. Dahil ang even number daw po ay malaman kapag ito hindi pwede i-divide sa ito. Subukan po natin yung 7. Enter number 7. And enter. Then, ayan po. 7 is an odd number. Okay po siya. Dahil ang 7 po ay hindi pwedeng i-divide sa 2, kaya po siya ay odd number. Then, do you want to try again? Type yes or no. If you want to continue, type yes po ulit. Yes. Choices. Letter C, highest or lowest number. Enter your choice. Letter C, lowercase. Enter. Highest or lowest number. The user enter a three number. And after it compares to program kung sino ang highest number and lowest number, ay lalabas ito. Then type po natin. Enter first number is 50. Second number ay 40. Third number is 30. Then enter. Yan po. 50 is the highest number. Siya po ang pinakamataas. Then the lowest is the 30 because siya po ang pinakamababa. Then do you want to try again? Type yes or no. Yes po ulit. Enter. Ah, enter your choice letter D na po. Leap year. Ah, leap year divisible by 4 or divisible by 400 and not divisible by 100. So enter a year. Subukan po natin ang 2025. 2024 na lang. Enter. 2024 is a leap year. Yung 2024 po, sir, divisible po siya sa 4 or 400. Then type yes. Enter your choice. Letter D po ulit. Tingnan po na natin kung susubok naman po tayo ng not leap year. Letter D. Enter. Subukan po natin. Yung taon ng birthday ko, 2002. Enter. 2002 is not a leap year. Yan po. Do you want to try again? Type yes or no. Yes. Dito po pinakita ko po kanina na kapag lumampas na po siya ng D, invalid input na po siya. Yes. Enter a choice. Try po natin letter E. Enter. Invalid input po ang lumabas dahil wala po sa choices ang letter E. So hanggang dyan lamang po may papakita ko. Bali, ito po yung code ko. Yan po. Ah, magandang araw po. Hanggang dyan na lamang po.